Haino Wanamasingsa ke Achomsa Horjwlai Bachakha Lama Swnamani Mishino Party Mungdurga Purneta Memorial Club Kana Amsaya Paitako Fire Service ni Adongrok Phai Horjwlai Baya Phai ka Horjwlai
Koktumani bisingti Shoiman ka Shangrong Shal Horde Bro Lama Swnamani Malikari Shoksai Klangka Kisasuk Terminang Rock Abai Party Muno Kan Geno Koktuma Rozaka Fair Service ni Adong Rock no Fiaba Fair Service Rock ni Aro phone call Habe Ongmani Yagolo Koktuma Rozaka Police Rock no Party Muni Koktuma Mankin Party Mung Thaya Thangu Shoka Police Abun Yagolo Fair Service ni Adong Rock Phai Horbatharmani ba Yafo Phai ka Horjwlai Party Mung te Kok Shongpreng Mani Yagolo Shoiman ka Phungsa Malkung Speed Klai Party Mung Thaini Khari Thangmani Koktuma Fiaba Amsani Khorang sa Borok Amal Kuni number flat Mang Fleti Shawai Narokani Koktuma Party Munu Kitingai Tabuk Shuksura Thanaba FIR Khaisagya Party Munu Kitingai Amseganang Nuksaka Wanamung Tekamang Party Munu Ti Chetogene Tumungo on Khorzak Tabuk Police Bureau Report Chini Khorang.
Maybe it's in the place where it all began, in the quiet journeys, in the extra miles, in the plans that pave the path. In the sweat after reps, in the passion that drives you, in the trophies, the glories, the stories. Maybe greatness starts somewhere deeper, within the mark you leave wherever you've walked, within the legacy that echoes through time. When greatness lies within, it's rare, it's platinum. The MS Dhoni Signature Edition. Jewelry crafted in rare platinum for men of platinum.